Tucked off of a quiet, town-maintained road, this Cape Cod style home is a rare blend of comfort, privacy, and natural beauty. With 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, it's thoughtfully designed for everyday living as well as unforgettable gatherings with family and friends. Step inside to an inviting living room where vaulted ceilings and sliding doors open to the back patio, framing serene views and filling the space with light. A wood stove adds warmth on chill evenings, while the primary bedroom suite also connects directly to the back patio for a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle. A second first-floor suite offers flexibility for guests or multi-generational living. At the heart of the home, the granite-accented eating kitchen invites both lively holiday cooking and quiet mornings with coffee. A mudroom laundry room adds convenience. The finished basement expands the living space, featuring a family room with rich custom woodwork. A 2-car garage area, currently reimagined as a rec room, opens endless possibilities for hobbies and games. Outdoors, the property unfolds as a private sanctuary on 57 acres. Wander wooded trails, fish or swim in your pond, or relax by the year-round stream. A stone patio and a deck invite you to savor the changing light and seasons. The detached garage with second-floor storage and separate wood shop, both with electric, offer ideal spaces for woodworking, art, storage, or recreation. Though blissfully private and hidden from the road, the home is conveniently close to Franklin, Delhi, and Oneonta, with Cooperstown a short drive away. Small-town charm, boutique shops, and restaurants are all within reach, yet you'll always return to the serenity of your retreat. Create your memories here. Holiday gatherings with everyone packed into the kitchen cooking together, and long days unplugged, hiking, puzzles, snowball fights, or swinging in a hammock between the pines. Each season offers its own magic. Spring blooms and hummingbirds, summer hikes and fishing, autumn's fiery colors, and peaceful snow-covered winters. This is more than just a home. It's a chance to slow down, connect with nature, and create a lifetime of memories here in the Catskills.